Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Road Glide Daily. I'm your host Daniel, and today I'm going to be trying something out. So let's see what it is. Alright, so I just got off work. It's really nice out. It's super nice. It's like mid 80s. There's a slight breeze. It's beautiful. It's perfect. And I'm going to be trying out this new GoPro suction cup mount that you see right there. Yeah, not sure how I feel about it. And as you can see, I got my Insta360 1X2 there, and yeah, we're gonna see if I lose this camera today on some turns or not. Well, we'll see how it works out. Also, I'm a little concerned about what's going to happen when I lean the bike. I'm pretty sure I can't lean it too far because I'm going to scrape that. So that arm may be too much of an extension for that. So, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. But let's get out there, let's hit the road, let's test this thing out. So first thing I'm going to do is hop on the interstate up here, and that's going to be the first test to see if it holds on under interstate speeds. We may go a little faster because, you know, interstate speeds aren't always the same across the nation. So far, about 45 miles per hour. It's still there. Not sure if you can see it. Then we're going to hop off the interstate and we're going to do some twisties. Now I'm pretty sure with it like the way it is, I'm not going to be able to get super low. I think I'll still be able to have some lean angle, but I just think that arm is a little too long. You guys got to excuse me, I just got over being having a cold. We're still there. That's a good sign. The other thing I'm slightly concerned about is how much wind that arm can take before it starts, like, you know, pivoting back. Still there. Also, the purpose of this video is for me to help narrow down where I'm getting this popping and this crackling from in my GoPro. Because as you've seen from some of my footage, I'm getting a lot of this wind pop and crackling. I don't think it's even wind popping. I think it's just connection issues. And I've researched it, and that seems to be a very common thing with GoPros. So anyway, so yeah, life's been crazy hectic. I haven't had much time to do videos, do TikToks and YouTube videos and everything else. We've been in the process of moving, which seems like it's taken forever, and unpacking, and yeah, just life in general. You guys know how that is. Life in general, man. It seems like ever since 2020 things have just not been the same. It seems like I've been excruciatingly more busy than I have been. Anyways, the trip to Dallas, it was really good. It was fun. It was hot, dude. It was so hot. It was so miserably hot. Like, that video does not do it justice. Yeah, it was like 105 degrees without the heat index, so I'm sure it was like 115 or more with the heat index. And once we hit Dallas, it was just felt like it was riding in a straight oven. It was no relief, no matter how fast you went at all. Just hot air constantly hitting you. It was really bad, really bad. But after it was all said and done, we had fun. I need to hurry up and get up here to some of these twisties so I can get some footage for the Insta360 dies. So that's the one thing about it, being down there on my left saddlebag, is that I can't exactly, you know, be running power to it like I can when it's on my fairing or when it's on my handlebars. Alright guys, we're up here at one of the roads I like to go on when I like to try out curves. So I'm going to quit talking and just let the video do its thing. Oh, I heard it. I heard it scrape the ground just then. It's still there. I'm not going to be able to get too low on this left side. Yeah, I'm going to scrape it on every single one of these turns if I don't go slower. Ooh, gravel in the return. That's not cool. Thank you. Alright guys, this is the end of the road, no pun intended. I'm going to pull over here in this gas station and take this camera off, and we're going to go home and check out the footage. And hopefully everything turned out good. Let's check out this camera real quick. Still there. Let's see if I did anything to it. That came off easy. Yeah, we got a little bitty baby scrapage. So I'm glad that's all that happened to it. Gonna shut it off. And yeah, it survived really good. I'm really impressed. As you can see, I did not have my Insta360 tethered because I didn't have anything really tied to, so was really just winging this. But this thing held up like a champ. So yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Looks like it held up good. Go home and edit this. Thanks for watching the video. See y'all next time.